Hello guys, welcome back to my Java online class. This is Anil Kanaji. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's class, I'm going to explain the topic called comments. Why we use comments, what are comments. With a practical program, I'm going to explain. Come on, let me start. What are comments? All modern programming languages provide ways for programmers to leave helpful notes, reminders, or documentation within their source code. These reminders are known as comments. See, guys, if we have a source code, and end users will not be knowing what actually the source code at that time. If you want to make them to understand about our source code, at that time we are going to leave some helpful notes or reminders or some documentation with our source code. So these are known as comments. Comments are not actually statements because they are skipped by the compiler and do not exist at runtime. Although the compiler ignores comments, the software developer should not ignore them. The second point, guys, here comments are not actually statements because these are skipped by the compiler and these are not executable statements. Compiler it ignores the comments, but software developer should not ignore them. Why? Because end users they should understand what actually the code is, and it is a good program practice. Next point, Java provides developers with three separate ways to add comments to their source code. Now one by one we will study what are those. The first one, these delimiters backslash asterisk, and we are closing that with the asterisk and backslash. These delimiters, like delimiters in C and C++, are used to surround single or multi-line comments. So the first, this comment it is used for single or multi-line comments. Both the way you can use the first one. Second, we have double slash, and it is borrowed from C++. This delimiter denotes a single line comment. If you want to include a single line comment, at that time you can use the double slash. This is single line comment and it is borrowed from C++. The first it is from C and C++. In both the languages we have the first comment. It can be used as single line or multi-line both. Third one, we have documentation comment. Why we use the third one, documentation it comments, means if you want to know end users about the complete program, at that time we are going to include this Java doc for documentation comment. Now with a practical program we will see what actually all these three comments do. See here, this is the program. Here we have the first section, documentation comment it is. Here this documentation comment, it is indicating complete about your Java program, the source code, what actually you are going to do. You can see the hello world program implements an application that simply displays hello world to the standard output. See guys, so complete program, what actually it is about, it is indicated by the documentation comment, that is Java doc. You can see here single slash, after that we have two asterisks and we are closing here that comment. So this is the documentation comment. Okay, make sure that if you are beginning with a comment, then you are closing it, otherwise compiler it throws an error. Remaining codes it consider as comment. Next we have the multi-line comment or single line. Both the way you can use it, single line or multi-line. If you have more than one line, at that time you can use in this way slash asterisk, and we are closing that asterisk and slash. Okay, if you have a single line, at that time you can use begin with slash and asterisk, and you can close here itself slash and asterisk and slash. This is single line or multi-line, the both the way you can use it, the second comment. Next we have, this is the single line comment, double slash. It tells about the single line. For example, you can see here hello world, we are printing hello world. About that line it is indicating prints hello world. This is how we can use comments in our Java program, guys. Now we execute. You can see here we are not getting any comments to the standard output because those are skipped by the compiler. This is how we can use comments in our Java program.